I want to talk to you for a minute about drug titration. A lot of what we do in Heart Failure Clinic is adjust medication. And truly, it's like getting a fitted suit of clothing. It has to fit you, your physiology, your blood pressure, your heart rate. It truly is a process that takes for most patients about 3 months to get to optimal medical therapy. And we call that OMT. And that's our overarching goal. But doing so will require a lot of navigation and negotiation with your body. It requires some metrics from you, daily weights that you record, ideally taken at the same time of day, wearing the same clothing after going to the bathroom. Blood pressure is taken with a home automated cuff, ideally an arm cuff, not wrist, they're more accurate. And heart rates. On occasion, we'll take blood work. We'll let you know that well in advance. What I need you to understand is you may have, during titration, some fatigue. That's not uncommon at all. Particularly when we're titrating a beta blocker, you may have some fatigue or lethargy. You may need to nap for a few hours during the day. That usually occurs when we first increase the dose, but it doesn't last. And you'll work through that. What you'll find is, ideally, through the process of titration, your heart function begins to improve, and the fatigue begins to resolve. But I want you to view this titration process as a critical part of your management and getting to optimal medical therapy as a critical goal.